forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are having our fifth lecture on real number and we are going to revise rational numbers and their decimal expansions. Rational number, a number of the form p by q where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 are known as rational numbers. For example, 2 by 5, 12 by 16 and so many. Rational number in lowest terms. A rational number in the form of p by q is said to be in its lowest terms if the integers p and q have no common factor other than 1. That is, p and q are co-prime, means there is no other common factor. 12 by 16 is a rational number, but this number is not in lowest terms. So simplify. 12 by 16 can be written as 4 3 are 12 and 4 4 are 16. So 3 by 4 is its lowest term. All rational numbers when expressed in decimal form are either terminating decimals or non-terminating repeating decimals. For example, 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5 is terminating decimals and 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333 are non-terminating repeating decimals. We can also write 0.31. Theorem 1. Let x be a rational number whose decimal expansion terminates, then x can be expressed in the form p by q where p and q are co-prime and the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 raised to the power m into 5 raised to the power n where m and n are non-negative integers. For example, 0.375 we can write 375 upon 1000. Now tell me factors of 375. So now divide. 5 7 are 35, 5 5 are 25. Again 5 to 5 1 are 5, 5 5 are 25. 5 3 are 15 and 3 1 are 3. So factor of 375 are 3 into 5 raised to the power 3. Similarly, factors of 1000, 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3. Another example. .104 can be written as 104 upon 1000. हम now write prime factors of 104. 3 into 2 raised to the power 4. Sorry. Write factors of 104. 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. Again 2 26. Again 2 13. So factors of 104 are 13 into 2 raised to the power 3 and factors of 1000 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 3. So we get 13 upon 5 raised to the power 3. Take one more example. 0.0875 is equal to, we can write 875 upon 10,000. Now write factor of 875 is equal to 7 into 5 raised to power 3 and factors of 10,000 are 2 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 7 upon 2 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 1. These examples first example shows denominator is power of 2 only. Denominator of this example 5 only, and in third case denominator are both 2 and 5. A prime factorization of denominator is only 2, only power of 2, only power of 5, and only power of both 2 and 5. Theorem 2. This is converse of theorem 1. Let x equal to p by q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 raised to power n into 5 raised to power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Then x has decimal expansion which terminates. For example, 3 by 8 is equal to factors of 8, 2 raised to the power 3. Clearly, factors of denominators are power of 2. Next step, we can write 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3, multiplying numerator and denominator by 5 raised to the power 3. 5 raised to the power 3, 125 into 3, 375 upon 5 raised to power 3, 125, 2 raised to the power 3, 8, 125 into 8, 1000 is equal to 0.375. Prime factorization of denominator is only power of 2, then decimal expansion is terminate. Now take another example. 13 upon 125 is equal to 13 upon factors of 125, 5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 13 upon 5 raised to the power 3 into multiply numerator and denominator by 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to power 3, 8. 13 8 is 104 upon this into this 1000 is equal to 0.104. Again, prime factorization of denominator is 5 raised to power 3 means only power of 5, then decimal expansion is terminates. Now take another example. 7 upon 80 is equal to 7 upon 2 raised to the power 4 into 5 is equal to 7 upon 2 raised to power 4 into 5 multiply numerator and denominator by 5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 125 into 7, 875 upon 10,000 is equal to 0.0875. Again, prime factorization of denominator is power of 2 and 5 is both 2 and 5. Then decimal expansion is 0.0875 means which is terminates. Theorem 3. Let x equal to p by q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q is not of the form 2 raised to the power n into 5 raised to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Then x has decimal expansion which is non-terminating repeating. For example, 1 upon 6. Factors of 6 are 2 into 3. Clearly it is not of the form 2 raised to the power n into 5 raised to the power n. Means expansion is non-terminating repeating. Just divide 1 by 6. 6 0 point. So 6 1 is 6. Now we get 4. Again divide. 6 6 is 36. Again write 4 and so on. 6 is equal to 0.166 dot can be written as 0.16 bar. So clearly decimal expansion of 1 by 6 is non-terminating repeating. Now theory of chapter 1 is over. Thank you.